Hello, today I'm going to review the Star Wars Stormtrooper Mech. So if that interests you, it's coming up right after this. I've never had one of these before, but they're actually pretty interesting. The size of them are actually a lot larger than I was expecting them to be. I like the way the arms and legs are built to be movable. As you can see here, move up and down, even the feet, everything moves. Fingers move, everything moves. I like the building technique, especially this one right here on the foot. You got a grill right there, and then it uses an angled tile on top of it to kind of show part of the grill there. There's also, if you do this, open the door and see your little minifig standing in there. Comes with a Stormtrooper, obviously. But it also has this oversized, huge gun. It's also a shooter. And yeah, that's my review, small review here. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video. You know how you like it, if you don't like it. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.